Hello everyone, welcome to my country Sri Lanka. Today I am going to show you one of the most beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka named Bambarakanda waterfall. I will give you more details about this waterfall while going through this video. Stay with me. Waterfall located in very famous Kalupahana village in Badulla district, 163 kilometers away from Colombo city. To reach to this waterfall, you have to come along Colombo-Badulla main road. If you are staying in down south, Galle, Mathara, Weligama, Thangalla areas, it is better come to Hambantota, then come to Wellavaya. You can connect to Colombo-Badulla main road via Biragala. If you are in Kandy or Nuwara Eliya, you need to come to Badulla city. Then come towards Colombo main road. You can find this waterfall at Kalupahana. If you stay in famous destination Alla, this waterfall is much closer. Coming through the Colombo-Badulla main road, turn at the Kalupahana junction. Waterfall is just 6 kilometers away from the main road. Now you can see the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. Its height is 263 meters. Now we are in the bottom of the Bambarakanda waterfall. We are in the dry season, therefore not much water flow in the waterfall. But rainy season, it look rough. More water flowing and can't even stay at the platform. Normally, if you travel here, January to May is better to travel. If you wish to go to the top of the waterfall, you have to go along the Ohiya Kalupahana road for another 2-3 kilometers. I have to show you another good bathing place. Stay with me to see it. This is the place I want to show you. It's named as safety place to bath in Google Map. This is the water flow makes Bambarakanda waterfall name Udawaya. Actually, we are in the upper part of the waterfall. This place situated 3 kilometers away from waterfall car park. If you visit to Bambarakanda waterfall, don't forget to come further 3 kilometers towards Ohiya and have a bath at this beautiful place. Be careful at rainy days, water flow is suddenly increase. That's all my friends. Give us a like, comment and share the video. Visit Sri Lanka. This is truly a paradise.